The S1. Damn, this floor is getting destroyed. Hello guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the AirPods clones, the Miser edition. The absolute bottom of the barrel, just scraping by $3 AirPods. So this is the gold standard here. Yes, or not yesterday, but a few days ago we took a look at the $50 AirPod clones and they surprised me. They were good, like they were one for one in design, in features, almost connectivity, just everything was top notch. So we're going to be taking a look at a little contrast here. A product that is so cheap, so bad, I'm guessing, it's just going to make your ears bleed, but we'll see. Apparently people like these things. So looking at the product online, like people say they work great, they came pretty fast, they're plastic, last about 2 hours, so you can't really beat the reviews. I mean, this is what people are saying about them, and 3.9 out of 5 people do agree these are good products, and they're cheap. Like, just wrap your mind around the price here. For $3, you can either have a cup of coffee, or you can have some AirPods, you know, a $3 pair of AirPods. So let's take a look at those. And these do come in multiple colors. So that's the cool thing already, is that they've got the advantage on Apple is that they come in a variety of colors. So I'm genuinely curious. So I saw these originally on TechSmart's channel. I didn't see the video, but I wanted to try them out for myself and I wanted it to be a genuine reaction online. So do check that one out down below. That is the source inspiration. Here are these guys. All right, so we have the i7s TWS. I think I legit own a pair of these. I didn't even try them out, but okay. So they have a variety of features here. They look like AirPods, but they're not trying to be AirPods, as you can see. I mean, to an extent, they're not copying the packaging. They're not stepping on Apple's toes completely here. And we've got a variety of colors. So white, black, red, gold, and pink. I did get the white ones, so we'll see. And back here we have the i7s TWS Bluetooth version 4.2. I highly doubt that, but that would be cool if it really was. That means you get slightly better audio quality. Playing time 5 to 6 hours, charging time 1 to 2 hours. So that's already been disputed just by reading the reviews online. Someone said they only got 2 hours out of this, but hey, we'll see. I personally think for $3 you could do worse. And by the way, let me be clear here. $3 is what they use the number to suck you in. Even $2 in some cases, but that's only for one. You can pay for one and get a $2 pair, or you can get a 2 version with the case for like $5 or $6. Yeah, that's basically the price. So depending on which seller you go to, there's gonna be different ones. This is what it looks like. It looks like a silo, like a barn or something, but hey, it works. You really cannot complain for $3. They give you more plastic than Apple even gives you with theirs, so that's a clone right here. So, you know, quite a difference, $3, $159, well, let's just say $5, yeah. And this is what they look like inside. So automatically, that's a big fail in my book, is that you cannot get the satisfaction of just pissing people off with that lid. Okay, not a satisfaction, but for myself, I just do this. If I'm ever using AirPods, you're gonna hear me from a mile away clicking them. But okay, let's take a look. So these are some chunky boys, wow. Absolutely, they come with a sticker that says BGA, big guys arrived. I don't know. And over here, these are the genuine Apple ones right here. So quite a difference in size, I would say. This is probably 2 to 2.5 times larger. You certainly will not be fooling anyone, and not to mention the cases. So the cases here, pretty ginormous difference between them, the sizing. They're not really trying to be Apple AirPods. And micro USB on the back over here. So not too bad. In the box, you get micro USB cable. Oh, so 65 milliamps in the actual unit and 950 in the box. Let me see how much Apple has. This thing has a bigger battery than Apple's AirPods even. Apple's AirPods have a 398 milliamp battery inside the case. This one has 950, but still has worse battery life. But it's the watt hours, the density of the battery that's obviously the advantage here. So you can have a bigger battery, but if the watt hours aren't the same, it won't matter. Okay, so that's on the battery end. I'm obviously not gonna be testing these for long enough, but let's see how they fit. So these absolute chunksters, wow. On the bottom, you do have the charging port, so it doesn't really look or work like Apple's at all. I believe this, yeah, it plugs in basically on a connector on the bottom there. Interesting strategy. So on the clones, they use Apple's strategy, the $50 ones, where they use the terminals, this metal terminal on the bottom to charge. This is not the case here. Oh man, I remember these. I did the video on these a long time ago where we used some thicker ones. So like if you start talking, it literally starts moving out of your ears a little. It's just using all the maximal space that I have in my ears. Wow, that is absolutely bad and uncomfortable. Well, it really depends on your ear size, I guess. It could be different. Like AirPods fit me really well. These would fall out probably all the time, and I don't know if I could run with them. I should actually get my jump rope. Let's see if they're jump rope proof. All right. So I'm gonna put both in first. The ultimate test of AirPods. Well, they don't fall out right away at least. Let me try some really. Not bad, okay. They passed the test of jump roping at least. Okay, so I take that back. It feels strange at first just coming from the original AirPods just because they don't take up a lot of room in your ear, but I give them a pass on that. Let's see how they sound like, the important part. Let's see how this works. Chinese, English. Whew. Oh man, that gets you good. If you guys don't jump rope, you should start probably the best activity you can do, period. Like I changed my life after starting. So, pairing, single ear connection. And remember, you're getting different classes here. If you pay the $3, you're getting just one, so it's gonna be a different process versus connecting to two. But here is the iPhone we're gonna be connecting them to. This is why even paying $50 for this clone is worth it. You're not gonna be dealing with these buttons and this just annoying mess of connecting every single time. I'm gonna try and power one of these on. Nothing. Do they have to be in the box? I am confused. Yeah, I think it's dead, so we're gonna charge this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've been charging these for a little while now and about ready to begin. I'm reading the instructions. So they have this right here. It says matters needing attention. Sounds pretty important. When I start reading, it says, do not treat this product with viola what? Like there's a white spot here. It sounded important, but suddenly I can't read it. Object so far away from the height. All right, well, I'm screwed, guys. If you don't see me posting a video for another month, that's it. Whoever did the translation on this, it is so bad. When you do listen to music, no space. I don't know, guys, this is so funny. This is like a video of itself just reading this, but okay, let's set this up. So I was able to get one to light up and you hold the button, starts blinking, and then it says TWS i7. Your headset is connected. And then the other one, I hope it connected both at the same time. Let's see what happens. Good old DRO. Okay, so it's only on the left ear right now. I'm gonna try and redo it. Yeah, so I think what happened is I got a dud. This one does not work. I charged it, I've been holding it. It charges in here, but it doesn't wanna work. It doesn't wanna turn on. That's kind of the risk you have to take with this stuff, is it's so cheap you can't guarantee the quality. Just like you can't guarantee the quality of a coffee. Sometimes I get a coffee that I get all the time and it tastes like crap, but not this. Dutch Bros is my key to my heart. This one's just dead, but hey, I'll put it in for the effect. Anyways, so what I'm hearing at 75% volume is I can still relatively talk to you normally. Like it's very quiet. It's nowhere near as loud as you think. All the way up. To describe the sound, it's like, it's very imprecise. It's a little static, not even static, it's just not sharp. It's not sharp audio. There's a definite difference even between the $50 fake clones and these. Even though they have more room to work with here, they're using cheaper stuff altogether. Let me try a different song, something with a little bit more bass, I think. Drolo's new stuff today was dope, check it out. Here, listen to this. Like, it's pretty loud to an extent at the max loudness. Like, usually I'd be getting this volume on the regular AirPods probably around right here. Yeah, it's not the loudest, but bass it's a little punchy. It's got a little bit of juice. Okay, so if If the other one did work, I would almost, without hesitation say this is well worth $5. Like, I mean, coffee versus this, yeah, any day. Let's see what it's like to disconnect these and then reconnect. So if I turn my Bluetooth off, disconnected, it says it's aware of that, and then I go and turn it back on, will it auto connect? It did. Cool, so there's that at least. It just sucks that I can't get this one to work. I can't get the full experience, only half of it. But hey, it is a $3, literally this is the $3 setup right here with just one, because they will sell you just one if you want it. And yeah, I gotta say the sound is not bad. Like $5 is not bad for this thing. You can not regret it if you don't like it. Just try it out, I guess. Wish.com, my first experience with it wasn't all that bad. So I guess I kind of agree with these reviews. Yeah, it ain't too bad. It takes a while to get here, but overall the feedback is pretty positive. Okay, I mean, what can I say? It's the cheapest possible AirPods that you can buy. The audio quality out of 10, I would probably give it like a 5.5. Maybe scrape up to like 5.75. It's not that good, really. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's in a nutshell. Yes, I would recommend them if you had $5 that you had to spend on headphones. It's even an economically better thing because you drink a coffee and it's gone. This thing will stick around and poison your ears for the next however long this will work without breaking. It feels cheap, don't get me wrong, it feels absolutely cheap, but the quality is not as terrible as I expected. So that's the one benefit to it. And hey, if you do get some that aren't broken, not so bad. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Do check out the $50 ones. Like, I was impressed with these. You need to check these out if you haven't already. But of course, my one advice is you can't go wrong with Apple AirPods. You get your money's worth. $159 at the worst. You can get them for cheaper, $145, $150, there are deals around. And that is a night and day difference in terms of just like portability, quality, sound quality. It is great. But otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. There, those are the $2 lithium bombs you're strapping to your ears. Ain't so bad. Okay, peace, guys.